Ladies and gentlemen, today is a day. It's a very hot day. Hot as hell, actually. So today we're gonna make yet another track. This time in Ableton Live 11. Okay, so the first thing, we're gonna build a chord stack. So a really cool function of Ableton Live 11 is the scale. I'm using this all the time. It is so helpful. That's kind of unusual. Why is it so hot here? Okay, very popular. I can't see anything because the light is so hot, so bright. But what we can do is we can change the look of Ableton, right? We can make it light. Oh, much better. Hell yeah. Okay, I need drums for reference. Ooh, that's cool. Ooh. Okay, so what scale is this? Okay, we need a couple of things. I guess this one. Ooh. Also, I have a portal preset that I made. It has a pretty cool reverb in it. This one is cool too. I think I like this one more. Damn. Oh, that was E still. Okay, so let's add a bass line. Let's pick a bass. Ooh. Okay, some hi-hats, hi-hat loop. Okay, so we have a sick bass line, but even if this sounds pretty beefy, there's always a need to put thermal on it. It's gonna sound better all the time. See? Yeah, this is cool. I think using chords in this situation is not gonna work now. Like for the next part of the drop, yes. But for now, I don't think so. What am I looking for? Lead, the galaxy. Okay, so this guy, of course, also put thermal on it. I'm loving thermal so much. It just beefs up the sound so much. I even put this because there in the thermal there's a mix bus section. I like to just drop it on the master or like on the whole group of instruments. That's cool. So, did I put this portal on it? Yes. Yeah, let's put this guy instead, maybe. And timeless delay. Oof. I don't know why, but I'm getting so excited. Like if I hear something, I'm like, oh, that sounds so good. See, I put 3 thermals on it. So that sounds like a part of the, like the second part of the drop or something, right? Okay, so it sounds like we have to make a drop before that. That's a cool section, but we have to make some sick shit in the beginning. So let's take this whole thing, put it here. So what do we do now? We need a bass line, put a bass line temporarily maybe. Or maybe duplicate this and choose a different one. Okay, so let's try this. Oh, that's cool. Oof. How about some chops, you know? But not the whole thing, but just like this. Oh, that's kind of sick. So we don't use the same thing because this is vocal for the breakdown. So this is gonna be the breakdown then. But we have to use some different melody for the drop. I have to drop this up like that. How about I don't change the key for now? Kind of have an idea. I have to transfer it from my brain to Ableton. And because Ableton is so awesome, it's gonna be so easy. Okay, I have an idea. Whoa! Whoa! That's cool. Okay, so should I do a switch up, like make a bass, like a bass here, you know? Okay, so we need to put something in this place, like a growl or something. Definitely put thermal on it. And the pitch bend automation. -1, I guess, semitone. And then make it quiet at the end here. I'm not sure about that. Yeah. Oh, there's like a throat sound to it. It's kind of cool. I'm gonna duplicate that and make another one. Yeah, whoa, that's cool. Hell yeah. How about this actually? Layering these two. Oh wait, this is triplets, right? Yeah, those are triplets. What's happening? This sucks. Yeah, this kind of adds, yeah. How about instead of this guy, actually use this one? Oh, how about layering this? Check this out. Oh, that's gonna be sick. This one. Let's duplicate this like that. Now do this. Consolidate. Now if we go into consolidate. Stop. Clip transposition. No transposition. And we put this -1 semitone. Yes. Okay, so now I'm gonna consolidate that again and then put the clip transposition to -1 semitone. Yeah, like this. I'm gonna make a new track, put this onto the new track and take this one. I want this to sound a little bit differently. Yeah, that's cool. That's flippin' sick. Okay, so now I guess we can delete that, make the transition. Make a layer, maybe? Make this, put this down. So what we can do is for like a pretty cool transition, we can take a snare, like a choppy snare. Like here, clip, gain. It's like Ableton knows what I want to do. Okay, so last thing, sweep up. Okay, that's cool. Last thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna actually, as I said, I'm gonna put a thermal on the master. It's gonna be sick. Check this out. Mix bus. And I guess we can listen to the whole thing, right? Hey, that's cool. So I hope you enjoyed this little track making. I really like the idea and how it turned out. Have a nice day and see ya in the next one. So that's it. If you have any questions, you can leave them in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, you can side on that subscribe button. Also, you can visit my site oversampled.us for some high quality samples, presets and free sounds.